expectations of Babu and Bapa, and true to our promise and unwavering commitment of support to BARM advocacy on moral governance, we bring you our stories unfold.
Ang Rio ng Bangsamoro, umaganda't umaasenso. Moral governance, pinapairal.
Halik kayo't inyong pagmasdan ang taglay nitong yaman sa mga lupain at karagatan.
Floods have caused significant damages and losses to crops and livestock that oftentimes resulted to poor living conditions of farmers and fisher folks. It is for this reason that the LGU of Buluan, Barangay Government of Maslabang, Mafar Buluan Municipal Office, and BARM Regional Government have come up with innovative solutions to address this long-standing crisis affecting the farm community by establishing flood control projects.
Ay makarami.
Ang init ng araw, lakas ng alon, di alintana. Mapaabot lamang ang mga programa.
Sasakang mangingisda, iarbista mahalaga. Kapayapaan makakamtat tungo sa maunlad na bayan. Diyan ang tungkulin, sinumpaan. Serbisyong Bangsamoro ay ipagmamalaki. Programa Bihilo.
Kusog kami sa filmic na inungkaan kami nila sa mga makinarya.
Kran, BARM, MAPA, apag sa Perrais, R-shape sa ninggay sa Lekamia Uni.
Amid the global trend in agriculture, Mafar Buluan encourages farm youth to be future-ready, increasingly aware of meeting the challenges of attaining food security. Lake Buluan is a fishery powerhouse which can produce up to 15 metric tons of fish species daily, both in fish capture and aquaculture. Tilapia Growers Association of the Philippines declared Lake Buluan is 2024 second largest producer of tilapia in the country. Mafar Buluan promotes equal opportunity for fishery resources, responsible fishing practices, and sustainability through information dissemination, education, and communication.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Manginsukurong kami sa Mafar Buluan sa inanggay nila na NEET.
Sukran, Mapar Buluan, kay Sir MMO Yusuf Manalindo, sa inanggan ng kasal kami, kids.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Sukran sa Mafar BARM na-receive nami fingerlings inanggay no usal kami.
Mafar Buluan promotes social justice through implementation of various agrarian reform programs for the best interest of working class such as landless farmers and farm workers.
Ang Rio ng Bangsamoro, umaganda't umaasenso. Moral governance, pinapairal.
Halik kayo't inyong pagmasdan.
Maparbuluan recognizes and value most the collaboration to achieve goal-oriented development initiatives.
Ang Rio ng Bangsamoro, umaganda't umaasenso. Moral governance, pinapairal.
Halik kayo't inyong pagmasdan. Ang taglay nitong yaman sa mga lupa.
A world of difference.
Serbisyong Bangsamoro'y ipagmamalaki. Programa, pinilupa at isda. Ma-farm lang at maparating upang ang ani at kita ay maparami.
Ang init ng araw, lakas ng
Magbutawan na
alon,
tayo.
di alintana. Mapaabot lamang ang mga programa.
Sasaka mangingisda, gayabista mahalaga. Kapayapaan makakamtat tungo sa maunlad na bayan. Diyan ang tungkulin sinumpaan. Serbisyong Bangsamoro